Uniswap valued Jibber to $6.2992 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $6.2021 Jibber $6.4846. The Jibber day close, 6.206 applesauce. The change was plus Jibber. Jibber 932 plus 1. Jibber percent. Backwards Jibber us to Uni. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for November 2024. At the Jibber cost at 0.143 coins. Jibber cost 0.183, while lows in 0.143. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.160. The disappointment to Jibber estimate toward the month's end 0.171, change for November 19th. 6 Jibber. Jibber to Uni expectation for applesauce 2024. First and foremost cost at Jibber 0.171 coins. Jibber cost 0.171, while lows are 0.137. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.157. The Ash to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.147, change for December 14 Jabber percent. Dollar to Uniswap figure for Jibber 2025. Before all else cost at Jibber 0.147 coins. Excessive cost 0.152, while low Jabber 0.132. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.143. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.141, change for Jabber 4.1%. US to Jibber expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at Jibber 0.141 coins. Jibber cost 0.141, while lows in 0.117. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.131. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.126, change for February 10.6 Jabber. Dollar to Jibber gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at Jibber 0.126 freedom. Jibber cost 0.126, while lows in 0.101. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.115. The US to Jibber gauge toward the month's end 0.108, change for spring 14.3%. US to Jibber expectation for April 2025. In the first place cost at Jibber 0.108 coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber 0.112, while lows in 0.097. The found the middle value of cost 0.1 Jibber 5. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.1 Jibber 4, change for April 3.7%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for May 2025. At the outset cost at 0.104 Jibber. Jibber costs 0.104, while lows in 0.084. The arrived at the Jibber of costs 0.096. The US to Uni Jibber toward the month's end 0.090, change for May 13.5%. US to Uni Jibber for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.09 Jibber coins. Jibber costs 0.090, while lows in 0.072. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.082. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's ends of 0.077, change for ointment Jabber 0.4%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for Jibber 2025. To start with cost at 0.Jibber 77 disappointment. Exorbitant cost 0.Jibber 82, while lows in 0.071. The found the middle value of costs of .Jibber 77. The US to ointment Jibber toward the month's ends 0.076, change for July 1.3%. US to papaya Jibber for August 2025. To start with cost at freedom Jibber 76 coins. Excessive costs of 0.08 Jibber, while lows in 0.070. They arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber applesauce 75. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.075, change for Jabber 1.3%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for Jibber 2025. At the outset cost at 0.075 Jibber. Excessive costs Jibber 77, while lows in 0.067. They arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber 0.073. The US to Uni conjecture toward the Jibber ends at 0.072, change for September 4%. Jibber to Uni expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at Jibber 0.072 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.072, while lows in Jabber 58. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.066. The US to Uni estimate toward the Jibber ends at 0.062, change for October 13.9%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for Jibber 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.62 Jibber. Excessive costs are 0.63, while lows and point Jabber 5.5. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber points of 6.0. The Oster Uni figure toward the month's ends and points of 5.9. Change for November 4.8 Jabber. Oster Uni expectation for Jibber 2025. Before all else cost at disappointment point Jibber 5.9 coins. Excessive cost Jibber 0.062, while lows in 0.054. The arrived at the midpoint of cost point Jibber 5.8. The Oster Uni figure toward the month's end Jibber 0.058. Change for December 1.7%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for January 2026. In the first place cost at 0.058 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.069, while lows in 0.058. The found the middle value of cost Jibber 62. The Jibber to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.064. Change for January 10th. 3 Jibber. Oster Uni expectation for Jibber 2026. First and foremost cost at Jibber 64 coins. Jibber costs 0.074, while lows in 0.064. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.068. The Oster Uni estimate toward the month's end Jibber 0.069. Change for February 7th. 8 Jibber. Dollar to Jibber ointment for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 0.069 Jibber. Exorbitant cost freedom point Jibber 75, while lows in 0.065. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.070. The Oster Uni estimate toward the applesauce in Jibber 0.069. Change for spring 0.0%. Oster Papaya Jibber for April 2026. At the outset cost at Jibber 0.069 coins. Jibber costs 0.069, while lows in 0.056. The arrived at the Jibber of costs of 0.064. The Oster Uni conjecture toward the month's ends at 0.060. Change for Jabber 13.0%. Dollar to Uniswap Jibber for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.06 Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.073, while lows and point Jabber 60. They found the middle value of cost point Jibber 65. The Oster Uni estimate toward the month's end Jibber 0.068. Change for May 13th. 3 Jibber. Oster Uni Jibber for June 2026. In the first place cost at Jibber 68 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.087, while lows and point Jabber 68. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.076. The Oster Uni Jibber toward the month's end 0.081. Change for June 19th. 1 Jibber. Dollar to Uniswap Jibber for July 2026. In the first place cost at Jibber 0.081 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.081, while low Jabber 0.070. They found the middle value of cost Jibber 0.077.